Hi everyone, I'm Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be sharing about what all products I have received in my April's Euphorbia box. Now this box is priced at ₹248 and it also has a shipping charge of ₹42. You can actually go ahead and book this box directly on their website, which is www.euphorbiabox.com, and the booking will be starting from today itself. This box is also available in 3 months and 6 months subscription. As we all know that there was no box last month, and this month's theme has kept around Women's Day. So the theme is womania, and this is the outer packaging of the box, and here you can see a woman is multitasking so many work. So I really liked the packaging this time. And the other box, which is the regular box, it's a cardboard box and it has their logo on top. So now let's quickly see the products without wasting much time. And before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please click the red color subscribe button, hit the bell icon and select options. There you can select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much, and now let's quickly get started. So as soon as I open the box, this time there is no shock proofing or anything, but there is this bag here, and this is something really new because this is the first time a bag is coming in the Euphorbia box. And this bag is pretty big, so it can be definitely used for storing multiple things. So let's quickly open and get one by one products out. Oh great, there is one more bag inside this. Now this is a total surprise, and this bag looks really similar to you get in another subscription boxes, but I really liked the addition of a bag in this month's box. The quality also seems to be really good. It's not very big, it's just like the size of my hand, but I really liked the quality and the color which they have used for this month's bag. This is how the bag looks from inside. It's pretty neat and something you can use for storage of your lipsticks or something, especially when you are traveling. So I really like the addition of this bag. So here is the information card, and this month's theme is womania. Here they have mentioned as we have skipped the Women's Day, but we cannot skip the importance of women in our life. And this card also has all the list of all the products which are there along with its MRP. So moving on, the first product is from Good Soap, and this is their Glow Elixir. So this is a 10 ml product, and it is gentle hydration for daily harmony, and it's also got balancing oils. So let's see how it looks. So the elixir oil has come in this transparent glass bottle with all the information inside the packaging as well. It's a 10 ml product, and they have mentioned a few facts about the product. It says naturally balancing, calming and hydrating face serum for problem oily blemish skin and T-zone. Organic content and natural vitamin E will help to find skin its balance, and light, fast absorbing and non-clogging. So these are the properties. So here they have also mentioned the list of ingredients which are used in the product. They have used base oils, blends of organic essential oils of lavender, tea tree, geranium, eucalyptus, blue chamomile and vitamin E. I wish they could have also mentioned which base oils have been used in this particular product. Other than that, if you want, you can find a different variety of products on their website as well. So this is how the Glow Elixir looks like, and it's got this milky white appearance. The texture is a little bit thick, and let's apply it on the skin and see how well it gets blended and absorbed on the skin. So I've just taken one drop and I'm going to blend it right now in front of you all. So it's a little sticky on the hand right now, but it's getting absorbed easily on my skin. And here you can see the glow of this particular elixir. So there are mild fragrances of eucalyptus, but it's blended so well that you do not feel the very heavy notes of eucalyptus. It's a mild blend with all the other essential oils which are present inside this particular elixir. And one more thing about this elixir is that you can use it in the morning or in the night, and you can also use this as a primer just before applying your makeup. So it's really good that this can be used in quite a few ways. And this one is priced at rupees 1299. So this is the first product. Moving on, the next product is from 7 Seas, and this is their long lasting HD lip gloss. Now this particular color, I think everybody will be getting the same shade, and the shade is 121. This one is priced at rupees 399, and it was manufactured in February 2018, and it is best before Jan 2021. I really like the packaging of this particular HD gloss. So let's see a swatch, and let's see the wand also. So this is how the wand looks, and it does not look like a gloss to me. It looks like a lipstick only, but let's see the effect on the skin. Yeah, so it looks really pretty. I really love such kind of shades, and this is how it looks on my skin. It's got a little bit effect, the shimmery effect of a gloss, and it's not stretching my skin right now. So I'm going to wait for some time and see if this stays this way or it develops into a matte. Then the next product we have from Aranium, and this is their nail and cuticle health cream. Now this is a very small size sample, but it's priced at rupees 300, and let's see what it says. It says massage a tiny amount of nail cream into the bare nails, cuticles and skin surrounding the nails. A little bit goes a long way. And one more thing here, it says that it's manufactured in Feb 2018, and it's best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. It's a natural recipe for rejuvenation of nails, cuticles and skin surrounding the nails, improves the overall nail health. And what they have mentioned here is the ingredient, and this is how it looks like. It's a solid wax, you can say, and yeah, so you will have to massage it a little bit, and you just have to apply it like this on the nails. I'll just show it to you all. So this is something which you can apply maybe during the night time, and you can allow your nails to heal during the night. So just a little bit, I have just touched it. I have not even taken a lot of quantity. I've just taken a little bit, and you just have to rub it around the nails like this and on the nails like this. Now I am applying a nail paint, but the best effects of such products is when you do not have any nail paint on your nails. So when you apply it on your bare nails, the effects are more, and you just have to massage it like this a little bit, and you will see the results, and the nails and the skin around it being hydrated, and you'll also see an improvement in its texture. And now coming to the last product in Euphorbia Box, this is their Get In Shine On Minakari Tassel Earrings, which are priced at rupees 250. Now let's open this and see how the tassel earring looks like. So one of them has just come out. I'll just show it to you all how this one particularly looks like. So it's a very big earring with a lot of tassel. So this looks quite different. It's a mix of you can say a little bit of funky and a little bit of Indian touch, and it will go on all the outfits, I'm sure. And this is something which I do not have, so I am looking forward to try something like this. I do not have anything like this in my earrings collection. So these were all the products which I received in my Euphorbia box for the month of April. Now in all there were 4 main products which came with an MRP, and the additional products and the new addition to the box were these bags. Now this is a small pouch which I really liked, and you can use for travel purpose or any other purpose, and the other pouch which you can just pull it and use it. It's quite spacious as well. So coming to the first product, the Glow Elixir, I really liked the quality and the fragrance of the Glow Elixir. It's a little sticky when you apply, but once it's blended on the skin you do not feel that stickiness, and also I do feel that the price point of that particular Glow Elixir is on the higher side. Now apart from that, I really liked the long lasting HD lip gloss from 7 Seas, and this lip gloss actually is a matte lipstick, so I waited on for the end of the video to show it to you all. So this is how the color has developed, and this is how it looks on my skin. It's settled into a very beautiful matte, and I really love the color. So it's not a gloss, but you will be definitely getting this kind of matte lipstick. And apart from that, addition of the cuticle and the nail cream is very good, but again for this much quantity it is a little expensive at rupees 300 price point, but I think this will go on for a very long time, because as I showed you in the video, it did not take a lot of product when I applied it on 2 or 3 of my nails. It took I just had to touch the product, so I'm sure this will go on for quite a few months. So I think the price point is okay right now for this one. And other than that, the earrings are exceptionally beautiful, because I've not seen such kind of earrings, and this is something which I do not even have in my collection of earrings. So I'm really looking forward to try it out. The material is good, the tassels look good, and it's not like it will bend or anything. The metal is also firm and sturdy. So these were all the products and my review for the Euphorbia box. So if this video was helpful for you all to make a choice, and if you like the video, then please do give this video a big thumbs up for my efforts. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, because it really means a lot to me. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.